welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdy, and today we're going to work on a few Easter DIY crafts. So let's jump right into it, shall we? So all of the items, or most of the items, I would say 90% of the items today are from the Dollar Tree. Few exceptions, with some items that are from my local Dollarama, which is my local dollar store. But we're going to jump right into my door wreath first. So the items that I'm looking to make that you're going to find in this video today is one door decor item, so like a door kind of wreath, and I want to make two planters. So for the door wreath, I have this sign from Dollar Tree. Super cute. I love the galvanized like Happy Easter with the little bunny. I also have this wreath. It's much bigger than what I was going for. I did want a smaller one. This is their super large sized one, and that's in the floral section. And as you can see, it wasn't one of their standard Dollar Tree like dollar items. It was $1.50. And then I'm also going to use some burlap. This is from Dollarama, but you can also get that from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some ribbon to choose from. Now this ribbon is quite old. I don't know where I got this one from. This might very well have been from the Dollar Tree, because they do have ribbon. This one's from the Dollarama. It's pink. I do think I'm going to go more with this pastel. I really love this pastel kind of turquoise. And that is it for this project, and then probably some hot glue as well. So why don't we go ahead and jump right into it. this next part, you can tell I just put the burlap around the wire. I love burlap, so I tend to burlap a lot of things. Doesn't matter if it's fall, spring, summer. I just love how it looks. And at this point, I mean, I could just put the sign on and call it a day, but I'm not going to do that. I do have ribbon, like I shared, and I do want to add a little bit of color to this because it is spring. And I don't know, when I think of spring, I think of some really beautiful like pastel colors. So I think I'm going to try to put a little bit of pastel around it. I may or may not add some of the pink as well. I'm not too sure. We're just going to see how it goes. So here's how it's looking. I actually love it like this. I love this pastel turquoise. It's like one of my favorite colors with the burlap. I just love it like that. And I think I'm gonna leave it like that, but I did cut off a piece of ribbon just to see what it would be like to do something like that. You know, if you were looking to add a little extra color, like to just experiment, see what that would look like. That would look really cute too. You know what else would look really cute is not using the burlap at all and just using different colored ribbons. That would look super Easter and spring. I'm almost thinking like a turquoise, a pink, a yellow, and just going around. Actually, that would look beautiful. Anyways, so we're just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna cut this little piece off here. If you follow me, I haven't done DIYs in quite a long time, and I need to pull out some of my DIY stuff because I have these cool little clips that you can use for hot gluing so you don't burn your fingers, but they're all put away. So I'm gonna have to grab those as I get back into DIYing. All right, so at this point, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add this on here. Trying to decide if I want to leave this on. And sometimes what I do when I make these wreaths is I bring it through here so that I have something to hang at the end. And I think that's what I might actually do. it glued down. And if you're ever worried about hot glue, I mean, you can use a stronger glue, but I never have issues with the hot glue, and I make these types of things, or I used to all the time. And as long as you're really generous with your hot glue, it always sticks on. But I'm going to go ahead and add some floral. Now, if you saw one of my recent Dollar Tree hauls and a DIY that I recently did, a really cute Easter displays, which I do have down in my living room, I found these really beautiful flowers from the Dollar Tree. They're called spikes, and I think I'm going to add them to this because they're just so beautiful. So I've already gone ahead and trimmed them, and I'm going to go ahead and just add them.